Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So I thought I'd bring you a quick Walgreens haul. The kids are working in the background doing some work. Our microwave blew up. Not funny at all, but you gotta laugh to keep from crying. And so when it went kaput, it released a lot of black smoke in the house, and so it just kind of made the cabinets a little bit dingy. So Jackson is working on cabinets and Alana is putting up groceries. So let me share with you my quick Walgreens haul. I did not, again, come up with this deal. I saw this on Couponelise, I think. I'm probably saying that wrong. But she showed this, and so I just copied her deal. So the Dixie plates in my store, this is not my store, this is the store that I went to. They only had the 20 plates left. So I just picked up those. These are the holds up to 2 pounds of food, to 10 and 1/16 inches. So I picked up 4 of those. They were buy one get one free. So for 2 of them, it was for 4 of them it was $2.58. So I picked up 4. Then I did the Puffs deal and the Dawn. So it was buy 4 of these products, get 1,000 points, and these were each 99 cents. So 99 cent, 99 cent, and then the 2 puffs that I got were 99 cents each. So I had coupon 25 cents off of this one, 25 cents off of this one, 25 and 25. And then I just picked this up because I had a coupon for that. That was 69 cents, and I had a 50 cents off coupon. So that ended up being 19 cents. So anyway, for 4 of these, $5.98, and then another $4 here. So I had 25 cents off of all of these. 2 of my coupons worked out just fine. The other 2 beat. The Puffs beat. Well, by the time he got to my total, because I was paying with points, my balance was like $11 and some change. $11 and like 34 cents. So I had $11. I paid $11 with points, and then he manually entered 25 cents in. So it left me paying out of pocket 9 cents for everything you see here. 9 cents, and I got 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 9 products. So I paid 9 cents. So I only started off with 15,000 points. Okay. So it was $10.09 was my total. Reward redemption, I used $10 in points, or 10,000 points. I paid 25 cents for my 9 cent to cover the 9 cent. I got 19 cents back. Then that left me with 5,000 points, but then I got 1,000 points back. So I redeemed 10,000. I started with 15,000. I got 1,000 back. I redeemed 10,000, so I'm closing out with 6,060 points. So 9 items, and I paid 1 cent a piece for those 9 items. So again, this was not my own deal that I made up. I saw Savvy Coupon Shopper had this one as well. I just did 1 transaction because this was all I had. There weren't any coupons for the Dixie plates, but we needed those. So this is something we're going to use. I'm actually going to try to find toilet paper next week to see if I can, pick any deals up with points next week. So anyway, this is our brief Walgreens haul. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, hit the red subscribe button. We love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. Also hit the little bell, that way you never miss an upload from us. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel, and until the next time we shop at Walgreens, bye.